Good morning and welcome to ForexTV.com's AM Forex New York. Today is Wednesday, February 20th. I'm Caitlin Sisney. The dollar rose against the euro and yen before a government report that may show U.S. inflation accelerated last month, giving the Federal Reserve less reason to lower interest rates. Euro is trading at 146.53. Yen is trading at 107.91. Monday's holiday in the U.S. and a lack of economic data have kept currency markets trading on the quiet side, but activity is predicted to resume in earnest today. On tap, we have the Consumer Price Index, which is expected to have risen. It is due out this morning at 8:30. Also released today are housing starts, which are expected to be near the lowest since 1991. Meanwhile, the pound fell to the lowest in a week against the dollar after the minutes of the Bank of England's February meeting showed officials voted 8-1 to lower interest rates to 5.25%, with one backing a bigger cut. Sterling is trading at 194.23. Today we're joined by Joseph Francomano from Erste Bank. Joseph will give his outlook for the Forex market.
Good morning. This is Joe Francomano at Erste Bank in New York. Volatility has spiked here at the beginning of the New York trading session as comments attributed to a premier that says that the Landesbank system is in trouble from a funding standpoint, and that there's a national crisis with the Landesbanks. This has quickly undermined confidence in the euro. We've dropped from a closing level yesterday of 147.25 in New York, and we've quickly deteriorated down to a low so far of 146.30, or thereabouts, presently trading at around 146.5. However, with all the economic turmoil, dark clouds in this market right now, it would not be surprising to see the market become completely risk-averse going into the opening of the equities, and seeing both the euro-yen, euro-Swiss, and the euro-dollar in general further weaken today as money quickly moves in and out of the currency markets. It does seem like a case of hot potato these days. It also seems like a case of not knowing exactly where the next shot is going to be fired. Yesterday we had oil up at $100 for the first time this year, and I believe it closed just above $100 for the first time ever. We also have gold at $928 an ounce. We also had the MPC voting, or showing in their vote, an 8-1 vote to cut rates by 25 points, and the lone dissenter wanted to cut rates by 50 points. So that's weighing right now on the European currencies as well. Going forward today, again, I expect the markets to be extremely volatile. The breakdown point in the euro technically was around 146.95 to 147, the figure. Support right now, got some decent trendline support that comes from the lows, presently at around 146.25. We also have Monday's low in the euro at around 146.10. Those will be the key technical supports on the bottom. Again, this the 146.25.30 level, which is the trend line, and the previous chart point at 146.10. However, look for equities, specifically the U.S. equities. See how they open right now. S&Ps are down about 12.5 points, indicating a drop of about 120 or so points in the Dow. The yen is trading at basically levels unchanged from yesterday's close in New York. However, euro-yen, of course, is down nearly about 3/4 of a big figure on the weakness of the euro. If the euro continues to weaken, if euro-yen continues to weaken, if equities continue to weaken, I would not be surprised to see dollar-yen trade back down to yesterday's low in New York, which was around 127.30, and 107.30, and I'd not be surprised to see the euro trade lower than the 146 handle today. Have a great day. Thank you.
Thank you, Joseph. That's all for your AM Forex New York. I'm Caitlin Sisney. Join us again later for another update right here on ForexTV.com.